Welcome back, everyone. All right, I'm going to go ahead and delete this right here, and I'm going to go ahead and delete this right here. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to set up a table, and I'm going to show you some CSS elements and tables. And so in order to put a table, we're going to go border equals 1. All right, and you need to go /table. It's pretty simple here. Now, of course, you need tr tag, table row. You need the slash in there as well, and you also need a table data tag. And we'll just type in item. All right, and we'll go /td. Perfect. I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to paste it a few more times. All right, and just for fun, I'm going to copy and paste this so we now have 2 rows. All right, so there we go. We have a nice little table here. I'll close off the HTML, and then I'll hop over to the CSS here, okay? So, first of all, let's take a look at this. So we do have a table tag, and there is a way to actually call in more objects here, which I'll show you in just a second. But let's go ahead and let's make the background color, and we'll make it orange. Okay? You see that the background color for the entire thing makes everything work. All right? Now, if you wanted to, watch this. If I go into TD here, meaning the table data tag, and of course you need the curly brackets, and watch this. If I go background color, and we might as well make it something, let's say blue. Okay, you can see that the table background is now blue, or the table background's orange, and then the table data is blue. Now let's hop over to the HTML here. There is one other type of tag we can have in here, and that's simply a table header, and we'll just put item in here as well. Okay. And we'll close off the table header, and we'll copy this 4 times just to even things out a bit. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, simple enough. Now, again, hopping over to the CSS here, we can go, and if we wanted to, we can change the table data to color, and then watch this, orange. Okay, and there we go. All of a sudden, we have orange now. Now you'll notice that if we wanted to, let's change this to red. Okay, and you're going to see what I'm going to do here. Now watch this. Now, by the way, if your CSS looks like this or this, it doesn't really matter. But watch what happens when I put in a comma, right, and then I put in a th. You see that the red, the table header, now has the properties of the table data. So you can do that now. You can actually add in any other tag, really. So if we hop to the bottom of this table and we add in, let's say, a paragraph tag and say this is a paragraph, and we go /p, simple enough. All right, and we'll go to p. And if we go ahead and type in p, you'll see that the exact same properties are attached to that p tag as well. Now, again, what would happen if we wanted the background color of th to be different? So if I type in th, again, you're probably thinking, what's happening here? I'm already calling it here. But watch what happens. If I type in background color, and I want this to be black, you can see that it turns out to be black. Okay, so again, if you call something, for example, here we're calling the tag th, which is table header, which is the top row, of course. If you call something by itself, it supersedes anything before that. So if we get rid of this, for example, by pushing Control X or Command X, you can see that this is the default now, right? In fact, this is the default, and then this supersedes this, and then this supersedes this for th, right? So if I get rid of this, right, you can see that this turns black, but these turn orange because that's what it's asking you to do. So for the most part, you can actually go ahead and you can change, put in different tags. You can combine tags as much as you want. All right, I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.